Levon, congratulations on the win against Wojciech today. This very interesting idea, 3A3 in the opening. Was this part of your plan? Because like Wojciech is maybe known as a very well opening theoretician.
Yeah, I wanted to get out of the opening as early as I could. I mean, white equalizes after a3. White is not worse, so it's a normal move. Yeah.
And then what happened? Like, where do you think it started to go wrong? Because I think out of the opening itself, you got a very decent position.
Yeah, I think the computer doesn't play rook e8, if I remember correctly. He plays rook b8 in order to stop one castle, and then the position is kind of double-edged, kind of sharp. Yeah, and yeah, after I kind of got my knight to d2, I felt that this is pleasant for me. Should be slightly better.
And what was the final mistake, would you say, like by Wojciech?
It's hard to say, but I mean, probably it's still kind of holdable. But it's the endgame. I felt doesn't have too much joy in it for black. Yeah, I'm slowly improving. So yeah, I felt it's from practical point maybe it was not the best decision for my opponent.
We see a lot of draws happening today in round 4. Of course, many players want to be solid. What was that on the back of your mind as well? That you're fine with a draw, but like great if something happens?
Yeah, I'm always fine with a draw. Playing against a very strong player. Whatever happens, happens. But yeah, you want to get try to get a fight, and if it's possible, of course, it's already a huge achievement just to get some pieces on the board and a position that is not too familiar.
And how was your preparation for Wojciech as an opponent? I'm sure you have played many games against him at some point. How did you evaluate him as an opponent?
Well, he is experienced and a strong player with great understanding. Yeah, I mean there are reasons why he was working for so many years with Anand. So he's a very talented individual. I think I didn't have really anything specific that I had in my mind to play against him. Just as I would play against anybody of his strength.
And a great win after the rest day. If you can share with us, how did you spend your rest day here in Goa?
Yeah, I think on the first, because it was a tiebreak, we went to the beach. We walked around, the closest one, the Bago Beach. Yeah, it was quite nice, but it was kind of a short visit. And then yesterday, yeah, we went to Fontanas. Yeah, it's a nice area. Yeah, I like walking around there. And since in 2002 the tournament took place in Panjim, it's
Yes.
always nice to return there.
Thank you so much, Levon, for your time.
Thank you.
And best wishes for game 2.
Thanks.
स्लो आराम स्लो सबको देगा स्लो नो धक्का स्लो थैंक यू आएगा आएगा इधर आएगा ऐसा जाएगा ना आएगा 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 Congratulations, by the way. Yeah. Thank you so much. You can come this side. आएगा आएगा सामने आएगा रे ऐसा आएगा आराम से आएगा थैंक यू सो मच सर सर
You won, right? Yes. Congratulations.
Cheers.
Can you also take a photo?
वो इधर आ
Levon. Best luck for tomorrow. Just draw and catch it. Levon. Sir, hello. So one photo.
थैंक यू सर। नेक्स्ट का प्लान दो।
Thank you, Levon.
Sir, one photo, sir. Thank you.